2, 1, action.
Know our personality and ensure that, in as much as we might not be, the first one is visibility. And how many know their personality? And for that reason, conflict is inevitable. It's also to identify key players and they wield some level of power.
So this event is a culmination of our monthly online sessions where we have sessions that empowers the young people, different topics coming from finance, investment, social life, all aspects. And at the end of the year, we come together as professionals, and in our meeting, we come to share mind. And today was that great day that we had, whereby a lot of knowledge was shared to the young people.
Usually as the youth, we love multiplication. Tunataka kupata more instead of working for it. But today I've learned division comes before multiplication, the way BODMAS works. Yeah? So there has to be division first before whatever you have multiplies. So I think that is something that the youth can apply in their lives to make sure that they proceed in life. It's not only about multiplying, but make sure that what you have, you're able to divide first before you multiply it.
We give unsecured loans to young people and also to informal traders in the rural areas. And this is just a way of empowering them so that they can be entrepreneurs and do their business and at least get some livelihoods.